Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bee. Today I'm going to show you how I used $5 Kanekalon hair to achieve this curly crochet afro. So I used this Kanekalon hair, it's pre-stretched, 52 inches long. I'm going to curl it onto these purple and gray Flexi rods. So the way that I start off is by cutting the hair in half, and then once it's in half, that's when I'll roll the hair onto the Flexi rods. This is a pretty good step to stop the hair from feeling like a blunt cut. I kind of feather the hair at the ends. The next step is to put all the hair into a bowl, and this is where I'm going to pour the boiling hot water all over the hair. It doesn't have to fill up the bowl, it just has to make sure all of the hair is wet. Then I pour it out. It gets really hot, but I pour it out and then I let it dry overnight. As you can see, I have leave out in the very front and then a middle part section towards the center of my head. I'm gonna just braid down that leave out that's out so that it doesn't interfere with me doing my crochet. So this is what the hair looks like on the Flexi rod. Sometimes in the morning it's still wet or a little damp, so I'll just use a blow dryer and just blow the hair dry because I don't want it to be wet. When it's wet, it's not gonna have the proper curl, it's not gonna feel as good, it's not gonna look as springy, and I want like a springy bouncy look, so I want to make sure that the hair is dry as possible. So now that I have the hair, I'm gonna start crocheting. The way that I crochet is from the very bottom. I push the crochet needle through or under the braid, then I loop the hair around the crochet needle, close it, pull the loop under my braid, open that loop, and then pull the two strands of hair through the loop, and then I'll tighten it by pulling real tight, holding it down on the braid and pulling it tight, pulling each strand tight so that the hair feels secure. And I'm gonna keep doing that a couple of times. I'll show you guys. I can show you way better than I can tell you. So now that I'm close to the leave out and almost done with all of the crochet, I'm making sure that I'm pulling the crochet hair up as close to the leave out area as possible, because I want it to be real tight so that when I pull out the leave out, it looks seamless. It looks like it's my hair. So I'm at the point where I've installed all the hair and I'm like, this is too much hair, so I want to cut it. This is a beast. This is a lion's mane. I want to make it a little bit shorter, a little bit more natural. So I'm bunching it together and I'm just going to cut it to my desired length. No rhyme or reason to this, just cutting it to the way I like and the way I like my fro to look. And now to tame the leave out. My leave out is super duper short because I have really short hair. So what I'm actually going to do is braid the leave out to match. I'm going to do a braid out with all the leave out, and I'm going to hope that it matches the flexi rod texture. I don't know, I've never tried this before, so I just want to see what happens. Keeping it so real, when I was undoing these braids, I was worried that it was not gonna look good. Like, I'm like super nervous because I never have tried this kind of hairstyle before. It's like my first time doing this, but I'm realizing that the braids are actually matching. My hair texture is matching, and it's actually looking really good as I'm taking it out. I'm like, hey, this is a good blend over here. So yeah, I think all I did was use some gel when I braided it so that it stays in place. I did shine and jam holding gel, and this is perfect. This looks super seamless, super great. Like, I'm really happy with the results and the way that this came out. So yeah, this is basically the finished product, the finished hairstyle. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments how you felt. Did you like this? Will you try this hairstyle? Have you tried this hairstyle? And if there's any other videos you want to see from me, I'm always open to suggestions. Just let me know in the replies. And thank you all so much for watching today. Love you so much for watching. And please come back to my next video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.